Hi everyone, it's Marlene with Dixie Quilters. Good to see you. Well, I wish I could see you. We'd have tea or coffee or something together. Probably drink a bunch of water. Okay, so this is a friend mail. In fact, she didn't send it in the mail. I went to her house and she gave it to me. So I'm going to call it friend mail. So Lynn Lockard from Lynn Lockard Quilting, and she has a YouTube channel called Lynn Lockard. She gave me this wonderful red and white stripe. And it's sort of a candy red stripe. And I'm thinking I'm going to use it for, on my Civil War block, I have to have a red and white stripe to make the medallion that looks like the flag. So we're going to use that for this. Then she gave me some fabrics, some really pretty ones. This is a beautiful panel, Star of Wonder, Peace on Earth. Isn't that a gorgeous thing? So I'm going to be making a panel quilt with that for sure, at least a throw. And we've got that new panel book that we got from Fabric Cafe. I think it's Fabric Cafe. And then we have some cowboy colors, denim. This is a kerchief kind of a fabric. And look at this, we got a bull rider. She's probably given me 2.5 yards of this. See, there's 2 pieces of the bull rider. Now this was an interesting piece. This is definitely vintage because I don't think we have fabrics out there with guns on them anymore. But this is definitely stagecoach and your boots and your medals from being in the military and your 6 guns, and quite interesting fabric. It's from Wyndham Fabrics in association with the Buffalo Bill Historical Society. Now that's interesting. This is at least 1/2 yard. Buffalo Bill Museum, I wonder where that's at. I'll have to look that up. And then this is a fabric that's just lariats, ropes. And it's just wonderful. So I think I'll be making a cowboy quilt sometime soon. And this is also from the Buffalo Bill Historical Group. I wonder if these bull riders are. No, this one is called Bull by Perry Wahi and Maywood Studio of Maywood Studio Inc. Doesn't say when, but now this one is maybe, no, we don't have any selvages on that. And this one is called, this is the Christmas one. This is Star of Wonder by Nancy Halverson from Benartex. I think I'll be working with this one first. Look at this, how cute this is with the donkey and the chicken and the bunny. I love that. Well, lately I've been watching a lot of donkeys on YouTube, and there's one called, the Happy Ass Farm. Now that's funny. Those donkeys do all kind of funny things, and mostly they're braying and making the most unusual sounds. So check them out. They're on YouTube. Okay, well, thank you for watching. This was my fabric haul. No, it wasn't a fabric haul. It was a friend haul. And it was a wonderful haul. Thank you, Lynn Lockard. All right. Until next time, please subscribe, ring the bell, share. You know, what else do we do? And come back next time. Thank you. Bye.